Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to leave for Disney in a little bit, so I just want to show you not my clothes that I packed, but like the fun stuff I packed. So first is my park bag for what I'm going to bring to the park. First I have this Donald the Duck keychain, and then there's nothing in there. My trading pins are going to go in there. Next I have this, oh sorry I'm going so fast, but in this side I forgot. I have some hand sanitizer, just in case, and then a backup mask, because I gotta wear masks because of COVID. Okay, so I got a Dumbo keychain, and in here, I have jelly beans. I guess I get hungry at the park, and I don't know, you can't get any food. There's no food bias. I don't know, I got them in a box yesterday, so I just brought them. I have a fidget toy. If I get bored, like in the car, probably on the way to the park. So it's a snap and click. I brought, I'm also gonna bring this. It's a little makeup bag, and it has like sunscreen. This is like the cooling sunscreen. It's like water, but it's sunscreen. And chapstick. So yeah, and then just clothes for Thanksgiving dinner, because that's not for the thing though. And I have my wallet. I'm not gonna show it though because I got gift cards in there and Visa. So I don't want you guys to see the code number, because anybody don't want it. Okay, so next is that big boy, which is for the hotel. It's an L bag. As you can see, it's an L bag. So, and there's nothing in this pocket, but in this pocket there's ticket cards, because we love playing cards and just all kind of food kind stuff. So we got pocket chips. In the big pocket, we got some ears because they're going on the ice, and the reindeer ears. Cool. I have my fidget toy bag, which let me show you what's inside. Oh no, my backpack. Fidget toy bag. So in the front, and this is also like a fidget bag, so you can like move the glitter in it. So like right here, I have a slinky. I know it's not really a fidget toy, but I just like doing this with it. Fun, kind of like jiggling it. And yeah, so and then I also have emoji, just little squishy things, like squishy. This one's like really indented though, but it's my favorite because it has the most squish, because it's the most big. The other ones are like flat, so it's hard to get any squish out of them. So that's my favorite. It's a hedgehog too. Yeah, they're kind of cute. In the big pocket, I have this fidget toy. It's a fidget ball. It's like, I do look at the quote, but it's like, yeah. I also got my puzzle ball, because I love puzzle balls. They're so entertaining. You have to match the ball with the color of the rim of the circle. So like blue's here and then here, but usually they're mixed up, so you gotta do like brain thinking to try to get it around. And then I also got my tingle. Yeah, this is the only tingle I have. I'm planning to get more in the future. And yeah, no, it did not just break. So that's that. That's a good bowl. Just tackle with this. I brought a squishy. It's like my favorite squishy. It's a dog. And it's like, my dad tried twisting it, and I was like, don't twist it. So, yeah. I'm trying not to take out everything, because, yeah, I brought a softball, but we're also bringing the whole bag, so we can throw there. I have, here, let me show you guys. I have my school book, a notebook, my iPad, some like school learning stuff in this utensils. That's pretty much all. Please give this like a big thumbs up. I know it wasn't that interesting, but please still give it a thumbs up. And I'm so excited to go to ice. And I was with my dad. And yeah, so toodles.